Where'd that mount go?
What's up?
Where'd the mount go that you took off the?
Rob took it.
Rob took it?
Yeah. Somebody was saying that his welds looked bad on the counter, so I think he's gonna be like, no, these are my welds. Oh, weld on the bracket. Like it was just like the spatter. But whenever I took it off, I could see that there was no fusion whatsoever.
I see nothing wrong. Trying to get this BDS lift kit to fit now that finally got a new housing for the front diff, because with the old lift they cut off one of the mounts we needed, so got that taken care of. Now just clearancing everything else that was previously cut to fit this new crossbar, and then just making sure that everything we do is correct. So I have to trim this little piece off for the new lift also. Just making sure.
On this one, we are replacing the old factory control arms and worn out bushings with new metal cloak control arms, metal cloak shock, and new springs. Trying to make it ride better and pretty much drive better, because it was kind of all over the place with the old setup.
What's up?
What are you doing?
I don't even know. I'm working on the new counter. I'm working on getting everything lined out for the plasma table. I'm working on making sure my guys have everything they need to do their job right. And I think that's all I'm working on currently. I need to clean up a mess I made earlier this morning. I'm also a carpenter, if you didn't know. Not a very good one, but I'm a carpenter. So I'm gonna clean this up real quick so that it's out of my way. And I also build IKEA furniture if you need that. What else can I do? No, it's been really busy, crazy busy around here. That's great, not complaining at all. Just got a lot going on, a lot to take care of, so that's where we're at.
So this is off that Cherokee Grant just got done working on. I'm all for the do-it-yourself kind of guy. I appreciate the enthusiasm, but yeah, that's not good. Shut up. Yeah, Grant got him hooked up real nice. Oh, there we go.
The coil spring is outside of the frame rail on the new Raptors. It's got scratches that you can see where the customer's been using it. Man, wish I had bronze wheels on my truck. Looks so good.
How's the lift?
Oh, it's good.
Struts in, about to put the knuckle on, diffs back in where it should be after all the modification. Fabtech's famous spacer on the bottom, and the BDS just replaces the whole unit with its own strut. So.
one's a little bit different from the LJ.
That one.
Yeah. On the back side of this, I can take it off real quick. It's got like a little lip going up to where on that one, it was just a straight shot right there. But I'm still gonna put those on.
Your braces. Did you save the file for that? So you just print, repeat? No, you had to make them again?
Yeah. So this one, since it's the bends right here, but it goes all the way up to here, I had to push the angle back 3/4 of an inch.
So is this just getting the rear half? Yeah. Nice. Yeah. When are we? Do you know what's going on with old Fonzie?
The Atlas is supposed to be in August 1st. No later though. That's what it said whenever they first ordered it.
Yeah. So other than the back half, what else you got to do to it?
Completely redoing the suspension. Gonna strip the axles down and put our brackets on. Build trusses for them.
Are we doing aluminum arms or keeping those arms? Yeah. Nice.
Just to get it a little more triangulated than what it was.
F250 trimmer. We put a 2.5-inch ready lift level kit on it. It's a true level kit. Replacement springs, track bar drop, sway bar drops, shock extensions. It'd be better to do new shocks, but that's okay. These will work for a long time. I don't know if the customer's doing larger wheels and tires. Maybe not with us, but that's it. Pretty simple. Pretty truck though. Kind of looks like a raccoon. Little eyes, mask. That's what it looks like to me.
gonna let this paint sit overnight, let it cure, and then next episode you'll see us yeet it into the back of the YJ over there. But these MotoFab frame kits are. Oh, you mounted it up there.
Yeah, because since we had to put the hole on this side, the cashier box goes here, and so I didn't have enough cable to do it. So that's not what I wanted to do, but it'll work.
It looks good.
Yeah.
No problem. I have a note right here, and all right, my man, we'll keep moving forward. It should be done tomorrow.
That's gonna happen more often than we care to admit.
So when we
Honestly,
call to tell you
it's like
done,
one brick
just
wall
tell
after
us you're
another.
picking up on Saturday,
So,
make sure it's pulled in and
we were so
make sure it's
close.
somewhere easy.
Everything moved over, everything turned on like it was supposed to, everything seemingly was going the way we wanted it, and we couldn't get the printer to connect. So started doing some check-in and searching and called the IT guys, and needless to say, we've got some internet ports that don't have internet, and IT guys are on their way to see if they can figure it out. So, but other than that, it's going great.
Is it in your eyes? It's dark in here. I can't see anything.
It's fine. You can shine it on me. I mean, here, you can be like we're telling ghost stories.
It doesn't help that this thing's over here blowing in my microphone.
You could turn it off.
Oh my gosh.
That was a bright one. So in this episode, we are building and maintenance, IT, and all of everything else. We are trying to figure out what happened when certain somebody came and hooked up the internet cables for us the other day. We won't name any names, but the phone company. And we did find one end that was not terminated properly, had a connector about to pulled out. So we're gonna fix that, see if that fixes our internet issue, and go from there. I mean, at Offroad Addiction, when we say we can do it all, we can do it all.
Because I'm a Jeep guy and a customer.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for this week. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when all of the latest content comes out. Keep an eye out for those cool projects that we got going on, and we'll see you next time.